Winter might be magical for us, but for your goats, it can be a real challenge. So, how do you keep them warm, healthy, and thriving when the temperature drops? Let's find out. First things first, comfort matters. Goats hate the cold. Their shelter should be dry, cozy, and draft free, yet still well ventilated. Use thick bedding, straw, hay, or wood shavings to lock in warmth. And remember, wet bedding equals cold coats. So keep it clean and dry. In freezing zones, you can use heat lamps, but safety first. No loose wires or open flames. When it's cold, goats burn more energy to stay warm. So boost their diet with high quality hay, a little grain like corn or barley, and mineral supplements. And don't forget water. Ice cold buckets won't do. Use heated waters or take the ice often to keep them hydrated. Winter also means more chances of illness. Check your goats regularly. If you spot coughing, nasal discharge, or laziness, act fast. Trim hooves to avoid infections from mud and keep goats clean and dry. And yes, deworming and vaccinations are your best friends this season. Expecting new kids this winter? Then it's double duty time. Keep the kidding area warm and dry. Dry the babies right after birth, use warm bedding, and if needed, a gentle heat lamp. And feed mama well. She needs the energy to nourish her little ones. Goats love to explore, but winter is not the time for long strolls. Let them out only on mild days and make sure they have windbreaks like trees or fences. When snow covers the pasture, bring the feast indoors. Winter don't have to be harsh, it can be cozy and full of care. With the right shelter, feed, and love, your goats will not just survive, they'll thrive. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more smart farming insights.